So let's take you through the F sharp minor 7 chord. This one's quite a popular one in the jazz realm, but you can also use it in other kind of pop styles, no problem. So I'm going to play through the chord first so you know what we're dealing with. So this one's quite easy if you played the A6 in one of my other lessons. It's essentially the A6, but you put your thumb over the top to play that F sharp. But going through it, the easiest way to do this is put your thumb there on the top, and you might just need to rotate your hand round a little bit just to get that thumb over. Some say it's bad practice, but I quite like using the thumb, so it's up to you. So what we do is put that on the 2nd fret, which is the F sharp note, and then we leave the open A note, A string that, and then we then sequence our fingers, so we go finger 1, 2, 3, 4, down through the 2nd fret on all the rest of the strings. So we put our 1st finger there, and then we put our 2nd finger there on the G string, 3rd finger there on the B string, and the 4th finger there on the final E string. So playing that through. Might be a slightly different version than you used to, more of an open sound. It just saves you having to do that big bar chord F sharp minor thing here. So the notes in this are the 1st note of the scale, the minor 3rd, the 5th, and the minor 7th note. So for the F sharp case, that's F sharp, A, C sharp, and E. And then we just double up a couple of those to get our guitar sound. I hope this has been useful. Have fun with it. And make sure you go to the Fret Success website and sign up there to join the free academy that takes you through a few different chords and loads of lessons to get you started on guitar. Even if you've been playing a while, it might be good to go back, revisit, and get a few top-ups on the different scales, the chords, and a few different techniques and tips that I've got in there. See you next time.